Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when I want to give a gift to the farmer in my life, I give them a bag of this Hatortempt black soldier fly larva. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, does that really constitute a good gift? And believe me, it absolutely does. I recently gave this 10-pound bag of black soldier fly larva to my sister, and she has guinea fowl and ducks. They are very free range. But when she wants to give them a treat, they love this black soldier fly larva. And we love it because it's dry and comes in a nice resealable bag, so it keeps everything super fresh and ready to toss out to these fowl whenever we want to. These guinea fowl normally do not mix with ducks to feed at all, but they were so excited about the larva that they actually came in and fed with them. These larvae are good for all different types of birds, not just chickens. As you can see, again, the guinea fowl and the ducks just love them. And they're really good protein treats with lots of calcium, so that the eggs that you get are going to be beautiful and really good for you. If you're looking for high quality products for all your fowl friends, you can't do better than Hatortempt. And that's my point of view.